Hey there, welcome to TrueHost Academy. In today's video, we're guiding you on one of the most powerful tools for growing your business, Instagram. I'm going to show you how to create a professional Instagram business page step by step. Whether you're just starting or want to level up your Instagram game, stick around because this guide will help you shine online. Step 1. Access your profile. First things first, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will take you straight to your profile page where all the magic happens. Easy, right? Let's move on to the next step. Step 2, open the menu. Once you're on your profile page, look up in the top right corner. See those 3 little lines? That's called the hamburger menu. Tap it and a side menu will pop up. Fun fact, they call it a hamburger menu because it kinda looks like one. Who knew Instagram could make you hungry? Anyway, let's continue. Step 3, navigate to account settings. Now, scroll down the menu until you see settings and privacy. Tap it, and under that, look for account type and tools. This is where we'll start setting up your professional account. Alright, things are heating up. Next, let's flip that switch and turn your personal account into a business powerhouse. Step 4. Switch to a professional account. In the account type section, you'll see 2 options. Tap on Switch to Professional Account. Instagram is now ready to help you build your business presence online. And just like that, you're unlocking a whole new world of tools to grow your business. But wait, we're not done yet. Step 5. Review professional account features. Next, Instagram will show you some benefits of switching to a professional account, like access to insights and promotions. Tap Continue to move forward. From here, it's all about customizing your account to fit your brand. Let's talk categories. Step 6. Choose a category. Instagram will now ask you to choose a category. You can pick anything from artist, blogger, digital creator, entrepreneur, and more. Once you've found the one that fits your business, hit Done. Pro tip, choose a category that really reflects what your business is about. And remember, you can always change this later. Step 7, confirm your account type. Now Instagram will ask you to pick between creator or business. Based on the category you selected, Instagram might suggest one for you, but don't worry. You can change this anytime. Once you're happy, tap next. Now, if you really want to step up your game, here's an optional but useful tip. Link your accounts. Step 8. Link other accounts. Note that this step is optional. Instagram gives you the option to link your Facebook business page. This is a smart move because it makes cross-posting easier and helps your business stay connected across platforms. But hey, if you don't want to link accounts right now, no worries. You can always do it later. Step 9. Complete your profile setup. Finally, Instagram will guide you through adding your business details like your website, email, and business hours. Make sure to fill out everything so your profile is fully optimized for customers to find and connect with you. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've set up a professional Instagram account for your business. In this video, we've walked through the simple steps to create a professional Instagram business page. We started by accessing your profile and navigating through Instagram's menu. Then we switched to a professional account, explored its features, and selected a category that suits your business. We also discussed the optional step of linking your Facebook page and finished by adding essential business details. With these steps, you're now ready to boost your business presence on Instagram and connect with your audience effectively. Thanks for tuning in to TrueHost Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides.